welcome back to my channel. So today's look, as you can see, is a pink look with a little bit of gold in the inner corner. So yeah, if y'all want to see how I did this look, then make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. And yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so as y'all can see, I already have one eye done and I'm just gonna get started. So the palette I'm using is the Morphe James Charles mini palette, and two colors I'm gonna use are this bright pink and this light pink, as y'all can see there. And I'm just gonna use the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer for my eyeshadow base, and I'm just gonna put that all over my eye and then blend it out with a just a simple brush. And yeah, and as y'all can see, I always do my eyebrows first. If y'all want to see a eyebrow tutorial, then I will definitely do that for you guys. Just let me know in the comment section. And yeah, so I will come back when I start applying the eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm also going to be using the Airspun setting powder to set the concealer on my eyelid, just so that it doesn't give me any creasing or anything like that. And yeah, I'm just going to speed up the process. So I'm going into that light pink color, and this color is going to be my transition shade. I wanted to have a gradient effect using that light pink, and then I'm going to use that bright pink for my my solid color shade or whatever, just to put on my eyelid. But yeah, y'all will get the gist of it. But yeah, I'm just gonna speed this up, and y'all just enjoy this video. Everything that I'm using will be shown in the video. I just didn't want to have to list everything in the description box, because I don't really change what I use. The only thing that I might change is the palette that I use or the concealer, but that's about it. Yeah, I'm not gonna ramble anymore. I'm just gonna let you guys watch, and I'll come back when something important comes up that I need to tell you guys. Okay. Y'all miss me yet? Okay, so yeah, y'all see that I'm putting the hot pink eyeshadow on my lower lash line, just to just to keep it from looking muted, or however you call it, but just adding some color on the lid underneath, and then dusting away all of the extra powder. And then I'm just going to keep adding the pink on my lower lash line. And I really like how this look turned out. This is really cute. Pink is just a really girly color. It brings out the girly in me. I'm not tomboyish or anything, but pink just does something to you, girl, okay? I'm pretty sure it does something to all women. Pink just reminds you of Barbie and all things galore and glam, So yeah, I'm just gonna keep adding the pink, and I'll move on to the next. Okay, this is the important part. So the lip combo that I used was NYX lip pencil in espresso, and then this MAC lipstick to matte with love. And yeah, I just wanted something to kind of match my eyes. I'm trying to use all of these lip glosses and lipsticks that I have instead of just doing my normal brown liner in a nude lip. And then of course Milani Make It Last face setting spray, and just putting that all over the face, honey. And then I'm just gonna go in with highlighter, just a tad. I don't like a lot, but yeah, just a tad bit of highlighter. But yeah, I'm just patting this setting powder in. Setting powder. Anyways, but yeah, this is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was really cute. I love doing it. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, loves.